Your daughter, kanta ni Joseph sa Yam-Yam niya, ako naman sa mami ko. Ready game. Sir, I'm a bit nervous about being here today. Still not really sure what I'm going to say. So bear with me please if I take up too much of your time. Seeing this box is the ring for your oldest. It's my everything. You know that I know is you could be such relief if I knew that we were on the same side. Cause very soon I'm hoping that I marry your daughter, make her my wife. I want her to be the only girl that I love for the rest of my life, and give her the best for me till the day that I die. Yeah, I'm gonna marry a princess and make her my queen. She'll be the most beautiful bride that I ever seen. I can't wait to smile when she walks down the aisle for the arm of her father on the day that I marry your daughter. Kabisado mo yung sila lyrics.
Gabi-gabi.
Gabi-gabi.
Second.
Pero oras na lang to. Gabi-gabi na lang sa pagtulog ko, ikaw ang panaginip ko. Pag ako'y gising na, ikaw pa rin ang nasa isip. At kahit hindi mo ko kapiling, asam sa iyo pa rin ang pusong ito na iyong inangkin.
Ano ba?
Di ba ba? Eh, remix. Stop mo na.